Hell yeah.
What's going on, YouTube? Cousin by Reggie here with a quick video today. I got the 22 Stinger from Caliber. Today what we're going to do is use the Elite Clipper modification, the ECM. I'll leave their link down below in the description. But what we're going to do is do their modification, but we're going to put the Andis blade on the Stinger. Before we get into that, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like the videos, hit the thumbs up. If you dislike them, hit a thumbs down. Comment, share, you know, all that good stuff. But today we're gonna do this real quick. Shouldn't be a long video. Y'all know I say that all the time and it end up being much longer than expected. But they got the tools already in here from ECM. I'm about to say I think I'm missing a screw. They got the 2 screws. It goes into the clipper. And this is the actual bracket that'll let you be able to sit the Andis Outliner blade on it, put that into the center. But let's go ahead and get into it so we're not here all day. I know y'all got stuff to do. I got stuff to do. I don't know what my stuff is, but it is what it is. All right, so we got the blades. Keeping my screws over here. If y'all seen my video on the Stinger, y'all know I love the Caliber 22 Stinger. This is actually one of my favorite cordless trimmers. I don't use a lot of cordless trimmers just because they don't seem to get the power that I'm wanting. But in this, I mean, it's quiet, it hits. The blade from Caliber is not a bad blade. I am just a Andis fan, the Andis. I'm an outliner fan of, you know, the T-Outliner Blade. So I just want to see how that modification they hit on this actual clipper. All right. So, of course, the only thing you really need is a screwdriver. Gonna speed this up, take these 2 screws out. That's it from right there. You see, this bracket part right here won't fit on the T-Andis, so I'm glad, T-Outliner, so I'm glad to get that in there. There's nothing you need to take off of this besides the blade. You'll just set the bracket right on top here. Like I said, the screws are already in there. Let me pause for a second and I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver. Make sure that I got those in there tight. All right, so now you got the bracket on. Got my flathead screwdriver. So what you wanna do, you got your 2 screws here. Make sure that you got them screws in there right and tight. Got them on tight. See how to make sure you got the bracket angled the right way. I did it a second ago, had it upside down. I had to stop, come back, boom, boom, here we go. But like I said, you want to make sure that I don't know what this is called, but make sure it's hooked onto the moving blade. The moving blade is the main thing that you want to make sure that this is clicked on correctly. And once the best thing about these mods, and I guess with these clippers, you don't have to take anything off. You're just adding to it, all right? I got my blade set already. These 2 pins here, these 2 metal brackets, is gonna fit right in the side. You wanna make sure this part of the bracket hooks on to the motor. This is the rotator of the motor part. If it's not hooked on, nothing's going, all right? Make sure you got them set in there. Get your holes matched up. All right, I just wanted to make sure that I had everything matched up while I was doing this. Make sure you got your screws in. Make sure y'all holler at Elite Clipper Modifications. They got a lot of different mods for different clippers, different trimmers. This is their bracket for the Stinger to put the T-Outliner blade on. I'll leave their Instagram handle on the screen and also in the description. Make sure y'all check them out too, because Nello Blend, shout out to Nello Blends. He's the one actually helping B-Cart with the fast feeds, the cordless fast feeds. So y'all want to make sure y'all keep an eye out on that. Boom. And once we set, they ready to go. Doesn't mess with the sound too much. It brings the volume up just a tad, but it's nothing crazy. Like when you do the Eversense blades, when you add them Eversense blades, it changes the sound of the clipper and trimmer completely. To me anyway. So there we go with the, look at that, dropping everything. Taking the Stinger, 22 Stinger, using the ECM modification bracket, putting a T-Outliner on the stinger. And everything's still set, ready to go, not too loud. And I'll do a tutorial, another haircut tutorial, and I'll actually use this trimmer in it. You know, I mean, if you got your blade set right and you put your bracket on correctly, it's not gonna mess it up too much. If the blade is set, it's still gonna cut. So you don't necessarily need a full tutorial on it. But if y'all want to see one, leave a comment down there and I'll let y'all see how they actually could work on a full haircut. But yeah, there we go. Elite clipper modification. Shout out to Nello Blends for sending me out that bracket for the stinger, putting a T-Outliner blade on. Love it, love it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share. If you dislike the video, there's a thumbs down button for you as well. Shout out to Nello Blends Elite Clipper Modifications. That's how to change the trimmer blade.